He's 10 weeks old today.
Good morning, Ollie.
Can you say good morning? Should we go see her? Who's that? I'll come get you. Go get her. My name is Ollie and I'm the fierce. Hi everyone! So today Oliver is 10 weeks old and we wanted to make a little bit of a routine video for you guys, what we do with him, how he is acting basically at this age. So we started when he woke up this morning. He got up at 3 to go outside and pee, and he got up again at 6, and now he's gonna be up for the day. And that's pretty much about right for him, for his schedule right now. And he'll be ready for his nap again soon. It's like 6:30. Isn't that right, bud? Oh my gosh, maybe now. And then we can get some stuff done around the van. All right, so this will be a fun day.
Okay. Hi, did you have a nice nap? Nice first nap of the day? How's it going? Oh, yawn.
Better hurry. Better hurry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Hi, buddy. I have nothing for you. What are you getting? That's very sweet.
Yes. Good boy. Sit. Yes. Hello. Okay. So we just used Ollie's breakfast, which is his Answers Raw formula. I think this one was beef, to do some training. He absolutely is obsessed with his food. All he wants to do is eat his food. Every time we open the fridge, he freaks out. So it's a really great tool to use to train him. We also use Ziwi Peaks to train him, but whenever we can use food to our advantage, we will do so. So I was just practicing a couple of things there. The first one is taking hold of his collar and rewarding him for that. This is something that we use as a settle technique. So right now we're focusing on associating holding his collar as being a really great thing for him. The second thing is sitting as well as downs and working on his impulse control. So I was lowering the food down, and if he reaches his nose out for it at all, we're gonna take it away. And as soon as he can hold himself back and restrain himself, we'll say yes and give the food to him. And then starting the beginning of like heel work or some proper leash walking. Obviously I wasn't holding the leash in that training session, mainly because I didn't have another hand to do so. His raw food is a little bit trickier to train with because it is like a raw meat consistency, like ground beef. So you just have to be a little bit careful with that. But otherwise, good morning training session. It's nice to use their food to train them first thing in the morning when they're starving. He hadn't had anything else to eat today, so he was so ready to eat and ready to work, which was great. And soon he'll probably be ready for his second nap. Good morning, boys. Get it out. Get it all out. You're about to take your second nap of the day. Just had a great play sesh. You're exhausted.
It's only 8:40.
It's 8:40 in the morning. And I'm gonna take a shower. Did you just wake up from your nap number 2?
Say yes, and I'm so well rested, I'm ready to romp.
Oh my gosh.
What a sweet boy he is.
Hi, buddy. Oh, kisses are so nice. Yeah. Yeah, he's being very sweet. It's 10:30. Ollie has woken up from his second nap. He's chomping down on a stick here. Just chilling by himself, having a really good settle time, which is great. Are you helping with the laundry, Ollie?
Are you helping with laundry?
Clay's helping.
Clay's being a squish.
So it's just after 12 and Ollie has just woken up from his third nap of the day. Isn't that right, bud? Who's that? We're gonna do some serious playtime now and then he'll probably sleep again in another hour and a half or so.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I know that Clay thinks that I want to hit his paw. That's what that is. Oh, are you jealous now? Well, I tried to give them to you. Oh my gosh. I did. I promise I did. Ready? Up. Okay. Good. Oh. Play.
Know what that means. There you go. One just for laying. Sit. Yes. Where's that guy? Where's that guy? Nap number 4 of the day. 5? Oh gosh. He just snaps all the time. It's about 1:30.
Hello. Hello. Oliver slept for an hour and a half. I think so. It's a huge stretch for him and we were actually able to take time for ourselves. Watch a show, take a little rest.
Yeah.
Honestly, like the first time in...
I think the first time in 2 weeks
Yeah.
that we've watched a show together. Yeah, like maybe one night we did, but we fell asleep because
Yeah, like
we're
minutes
so
into it,
tired.
yeah. Anyway.
He's awake.
He's up now.
Why'd you do it? Should we get you up? Did you have a good nap?
Oh, big yawn.
You still have raindrops on you from when you went out.
That's because he was rolling around in the grass
Oh.
in the pouring rain.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Hi. Is Mom getting lunch?
Who's getting this delicious food?
Something that I cannot get, but just waiting so patiently.
That's such a patient boy.
Are you just gonna gobble it up because I didn't smash it? Okay.
We are weighing Oliver. He is 10 weeks old today, so we're gonna see how much he weighs.
11 pounds and 4 ounces.
Oh,
What a
perfect
guy.
size. The perfect size. You were just having such a nice chew time. Gotta check and see if there's any more Clay's food to be had.
Good boy. See? Go get it. Good job.
Well, it's 7 o'clock, and this is what we're gonna call Oliver's witching hour. We'll see if he stops right as I put the camera on him. But... You crazy, bud? Clay is such a patient pup. And Oliver is crazy. Oh my gosh, Ollie. And now we've progressed to the laying down and chomping on things nicely stage of the night. It only took about an hour of crazy.
Ollie's first movie. He's ready. Oh, big yawn. Well, it's the end of a day. Another day with Oliver. Yep. A rainy day too. Yep. We had a nice snooze during the movie that we watched, and now he's gonna go to bed. Yeah, hopefully he will sleep at least until 3 a.m. But till 5 would be even better. What do you think? Yep. Alright, well. Alright. We'll catch you guys next time. Good night. Thanks for watching.